this is the next video. So this is the question paper December 2019, module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, check module 6. Okay, 10 the question. So the question is, draw the top view, front view and any one side view of the figure. So this is the figure shown below. So this is the 3D image of a machine component. So our aim is to draw the top view, then front view and any one side view. The front view direction is marked with a long arrow. So here in this figure you can see an arrow. So this is the front view direction. So from this position you just see this 3D object and you can see this face. This is the front view. Then this is the top view direction, and from this position you just see to this object, so you will see this face. So that is the top view. And then side view, from this position you just see this face. So this is the right side view and this side is the left side view. So any missing dimension may be suitably assumed. So we will draw the top view, front view and any one side view. So now here I will draw right side view. Okay, so first I will draw the front view. So front view, the total length of this front view, this total length is 120 millimeter. So I will draw a line of length. So first I will draw an XY line, then draw a perpendicular line, then mark front view. So here I will draw the front view, here I will draw the top view, and here I will draw the right side view. So I will mark 2 points here on this line, and the distance between these two lines is 120 millimeter. Okay, so then you can see this. So this height is 35 millimeter. So I will draw a line from this point. This is 35 millimeter. Then this distance is 15 millimeter. So draw a line here. This length is 15 millimeter. Then in the downward direction you can see this length. So here this length is given as 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter. So this is 10 millimeter. Then this from this point to this point, draw this line. So this the length of this line is, see, this total length is 120 millimeter, and this is 15 millimeter, and this is 15. So 120 minus 30, that means it is 90. So draw a line here, and this length is 90 millimeter. Okay, then above draw this line. So this length is, you can see this length is 20 millimeter. So draw a line here. This is 20 millimeter. Then this length is 15 millimeter. Draw a line of 15 millimeter. Then draw a line here to here. Okay, so this represents this is the front view. So draw this front view using H pencil, dark line, because it is view. So dark this front view. I will dark this front view. Okay, so this is the front view. You can see. Any doubt? So this is the front view. Okay, not this is the front view. So here there is one correction. So here this is not like this. So here the distance is 10 millimeters. So I will correct it. So here this bottom portion is not like this. So I will mark a point here, and the dimension from this to this is 60 millimeter. Okay, then from that point draw a line. This length is 10 millimeter, and then draw a line up to here. Okay, okay, so I will delete this portion, because okay, so this is the final front view, and I will delete this portion also. Okay, see, this is the front view. Okay, then I will draw the top view. See, okay, so top view is actually a rectangle like shape, that is length is 120 and the breadth is, this length is 60. So what I do is, I will, these are projections, so I will project this front view up to here. Then similarly from this side, see, this total length is, you can see this total length is 120, so that is the length. Okay, then breadth is 60 millimeters. So draw a line here. Okay, draw a line here, then take offset, and then from this line draw another line. That distance is 60 because breadth is 60. Okay, then extend this, extend this. So this is the, okay, then I will project this line. Okay, so this thickness is, you can see this thickness is 15 millimeter. So thicken that line. Okay, before that I will thicken all the outer lines, boundaries. Okay, okay, then here there are two squares of 15 by 15 mm side in the right side. Okay, so here I will, so this is the line. I will just project this line and project this line. Okay, so I will project this line and then draw a line here, draw a line here, and just dimension it. This dimension is 15, 15 by 15 square. So this is 15. Okay, and this is 15. Similarly, another square here, you can see in this, see, this is another square 15 by 15 size. So draw a line here and add dimension. This is 15, this is 15. Thickness. Okay, increase the thickness. Okay, then see, you can see there are two circles on the top face. So in the first circle is, the center of the first circle is 20 mm from this side and 30 mm from this side. Okay, so I will mark a point here, and add dimension. So this is the center of the circle, this is 20 millimeter and this is 30 millimeter. Then with that as center, draw a circle. What is the diameter of the circle is 20 millimeter. Okay, so diameter of the circle is 20 millimeter. Then add another point here. Then this center to this center distance is 45 millimeter. So this dimension is 45 millimeter. Okay, then draw another circle of radius 20 millimeter. Okay, so increase the thickness of that two circles. Okay, so that is the top view. Okay, so you can see this is the front view, this is the front view or elevation, and or this is the top view. Then next I will draw this side view. So for drawing the side view, first you extend the top view lines to this perpendicular line. Okay, I will extend this. Okay, then this intersecting point as center, and this distance as radius. Draw arcs to here, up to here. So this as center, this as distance. Draw two arcs. So what is the distance of these two points? That is 60 millimeter. Okay, in the side view, what is this length? This length is 60, and this total height is 35 plus some. So here some distance is there. Okay, so the length is 60 millimeter. So you can see this length is, check this length is 60 millimeter. You can see 60. So what is the height? So for if you want to get the height, you just project the front view. You just only see which is the top point in the front view. So this is the top point. So from this top point, project a line. So from that line you will get the height. So this is the total height in the side view. Then complete this. Okay. Okay, so in the side view you can see that there will be some U-shape like structure. Okay, is it U-shape like structure? Okay, so there will be a 10 mm thickness structure at the bottom. So I will project that first. So this is that line. So I will project that 10 mm thickness from the front view. So okay, so I will thicken this. So this is the base. I will dark it first. Okay, then this is the outer portion. So outer portion I will dark it. This is the outer portion, I will dark it. Okay, then this is the 10 mm thickness portion. So I will dark it. Okay, so in the side view you will see this. Then above this 10 mm thickness you will see this U-shaped structure. Okay, so that U-shaped structure, the distance is 15, 30, 15. Okay, so here I will draw a line up to here. Okay, so that is, this distance is 15, this distance is 15. Then here I will draw another line. You know what is the distance? It is 30. So from this line to this line, that is 30. Okay, then you can see this is the U shape, and you just project this line. This is that thing. You just project this line up to here. Okay, so then you will get this base. Okay, so okay, so I will dark it. So here I will remove this portion. So here I will dark it. Okay, so this is the side view. And another thing is, when you look from the side view, you can see, you will see this line. Okay, so you will see this that portion in between this two structures. Okay, you can't see this full shape, full edge, but you will see the portion inside this U shape. So here, okay, so other two portions you can't see. Okay, so this is that edge. So I will project that edge. So before that I will delete this dimension for viewing. Okay, so I just project this. Okay, so you can see this edge. Some portion you can visible, some portion it is actually invisible. Okay, so visible you just draw using dark lines. So this is the visible edge. Okay, but this portion is invisible, so using dotted dashed lines. Okay, so here you just using dashed lines. Okay, because that means in this edge, this portion is only visible in the side view, but these two portions are invisible. Okay, another thing is there are two holes in the center here. In the side view, that two holes are invisible. Okay, so you can mark a point here and then draw a cylinder. Okay, so this distance is 30 mm, or you can project from this top view. Okay, which one is appropriate. You can, so here I will project from this top view. So from the top view I will project this, then draw an arc. This as center, this as radius, draw an arc here, so that is the center. So you can see what about this distance? This distance is 30. Okay, you can see this distance is 30. This distance is 30. That is the center line. So from this line draw a line. So center line represented as axis line, that is chain line. Okay, then you can draw two lines up to here. Okay, two lines that represents the whole. Okay, so what is the distance? The total distance is 30. So this is 15. Sorry, not the diameter of the hole is 20. So this is 10. This is 10, and this distance is. Okay, so this is actually dashed because that means that hole is invisible. Also dashed. Okay, then here in the front view also, these two holes we can't see in the front view. Okay, so what I do is I will project a line from top view to front view. So this is center line. So draw a line from this center to here. Okay, some error is showing, no problem. I will draw a line here. Okay, and what about the distance from this side? This distance is 20. Okay, so that is actually the center line. So mark as axis line, chain line. Then draw two lines, one up to here, then one up to here. So what about the distance? So this distance is 10, this distance is 10, this distance is 10. Okay, and that hole is actually invisible, so dashed line. that means that is invisible in the front view. Okay, then draw another line from this center line. Okay, and this is actually as a chain line because that is the center line. Then from this center line draw one line here, one line here, or you can project this circle. Okay, both are same. Okay, so here this distance is 10 and this distance is 10. That means the diameter is 20. Then I will dark this line using dashed space. That means that circle is, that hole is invisible in the front view. Okay, so now our front view, top view and right side view is completed. So once again I will check the question. So our aim is to draw the top view, so I will draw the top view. So this is the top view. This you can see top view or plan. This is the top view. Then draw the front view. So this is the front view. Then and any one side view. So here I draw the, so this is the side view and this is the right side view. Okay, figure shown. Okay, then so here you can see there are no dimensions, so you just add all dimensions. So this distance is 120. That is very important. Dimensions very important. So this is 35. Okay, then this thickness is 15 and this is 20. This diameter is 20 and this center to this center distance is 45 and this distance is 10 and this center is 30 and this one side is actually 15 and from this to here this is 20 and from this to this center that is actually 30. So like this mark all the dimensions. Okay, so this is the solution of this question, question number 10 of APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, December 2019. So this is very important, and you can see the mark of each question carries 20 marks. Okay, so you will get 20 marks when you complete this drawing. So I'm sure you you know everything. Draw the top view, front view and any one side view of this component. So this is the top view, this is the top view or plan, and this is the front view or elevation, and this is the right side